Hi everyone, this is our latest offering. This has just come in part exchange, and for reasons you'll find out in when you listen on, I'm going to nickname this coach the Starship Enterprise. Two reasons. It's come all the way down from Andrews on the Shetland Islands. It came down a couple of days ago, drove all the way from Aberdeen, never missed a beat, even though it's been spending its life since it was converted to a 70-seater on a school run, doing like 10 miles a morning, 10 miles in the afternoon. So it's a 2005 Volvo.B12B, as you can hear that lovely B12B sound, Jonckheere Mistral 50. It was new doing National Express, which is the other reason we're calling it the Starship Enterprise, because it's done 2.2 million K, would you believe? Anyway, 2.2 million K, sounds sweet as a nut, been ticking over for ages here, no oil on the floor. We go to the engine. Good tyres on it. It's got two pretty new actually Hankook A51s on the front. They're probably 400 quid each, and they're probably 80%, so that's good. So as you can see, straight enough, bit of damage here and there, a few marks as you'd expect. Now then, as we go inside, the 70-seater bit is what obviously makes it useful, and I think it was done about 5 or 6 years ago, the conversion. So as you can see inside, really nice set of seats. These seats cost about 8 grand now, so that's where the value is. And there's one damaged, which is that one. Otherwise they're all spot on. So so bit of a recap then. Volvo B12B 2005, MOT till August 2025, which means it gets you through the busy summer period, and that's where I think it's useful. I call these vehicles get out of jail free card, because when you're stuck and you need a vehicle for not too much money, it gets you out of the mire, shall we call it, seeing this is a public video. So there we go, B12B Jonckheere Mistral 50, just taken in Part X and sold as seen, because we're so busy preparing vehicles we haven't got time to do anything to it, but doesn't seem to need a lot. So grab a bargain. Thank you.